everyone, welcome back. Today we have a very special feature behind me that has just arrived into stock, and it is our Dreamer D62. Now this is the 20th anniversary edition, so it does come with lots of lovely features and extras, so let's get straight into it. Talking through some statistics, the Dreamer D62 measures in at 6.36 metres in length and 2.05 in width. It does come with the R10 grey as part of the 20th anniversary pack. You've got the panoramic sky view, you've got your two-tone alloys, and then of course the lovely red graphics along the side. You've got your reverse camera at the back, and as well as this, you've got heaps of storage just underneath your bed at the back. You can lift this up and that allows for obviously a bit more storage again. And your toilet cassette to the back as your bathroom is to the right. To the other side we've got a barbecue gas outlet, your electric welcome step and your awning light strip. Now this van is 3.5 tonne as well, so for those of you with only the B licence, you can drive this. So as soon as you step into the van, you just get this open plan feel. You've got your panoramic sky view just above the driver and passenger seat, so it lets all the natural light seep in. Our upholstery is finished in Dakota, so that's a full leather. But while I'm in the driver's seat, I'll talk you through some of the packs. So we are fully loaded with packs. You've got the LED assist, you've got the comfort pack, you've got the safety pack. But some of the features that's included in those is your leather multifunctional steering wheel. You've got adaptive cruise control built in there. Your cockpit is all fully digital. You've got your automatic drive. You've got your lane departure assist warning. Pioneer infotainment system. So you have your built-in sat nav, your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto, and the list goes on. We're into our front lounge area. So your third and your fourth seat belts are situated here. Now your front dinette does convert into an extra berth, and this table does extend out. You've got a bench seat to the right, so you could comfortably sit maybe up to 5 or 6 people in the lounge. Another cool feature is that you can actually unclip this table. There's a little rail outside, so you can attach that to your rail. I'll give you a little demonstration of that, but it basically means that you can bring your table outside if you've got a bit of good weather. Now the TV bracket, this is brilliant because it swivels, so you can actually, you can watch your TV from the bedroom area, and you can also adjust the height. Into the kitchen area, again it is beautifully finished and the colour scheme all really ties together. You've got your matte black finish on your sink, heaps of storage just underneath that, all soft close cupboards. You can actually unlock and lock it with that button, but it basically stops them from rattling around while you're driving. And then behind me is our Dometic fridge, so plenty of space in there, nice big freezer box as well. Here we have full-size wardrobe. Now take a look at that. It's got built-in shelving, you've got your hanging rail. It's a perfect place to put all your clothes and your shoes. You've heaps of storage in there. Nice big bathroom at the back as well, with your sink, your toilet and your shower. And behind me is our French corner bed layout, so you can actually fold that bed up a little for your daytime layout, so you can sit up and watch your TV, read a book, and you've your access outside, but you've also got access inside the vehicle as well. Guys, all I need is a deck chair and a bit of sun. But that is the Dreamer D62 with lots of lovely packs and features. You've got your VBR suspension in there as well. So while stocks last, you need to come down and see it for yourselves. Give us a call on 028 9269 3999 or send me an email, charlotte@thompsonleisure.com.